Okay guys, so for today's tutorial, we're gonna need a hot glue gun. We're gonna need black hot glue sticks that I got off Amazon. I will link both of those in the descriptions. And a tumbler of your choice. Since we're not going to be spray painting over it, I've already epoxied the glitter on this one till it was smooth. You're also going to need a hot glue gun. I prefer the ones with the low and the high setting options. This is a Gorilla Glue. I got it off Amazon as well. But we're gonna go ahead and go straight into the drips. And a few pointers that I have are when you're doing the drips, you're going to want to count your pumps. So I do like 4 pumps and then I'll alternate to 2 pumps and then I'll alternate to 5 pumps and then I'll alternate back. So that way the drips are different lengths. Each time you pump, you're adding a little bit more hot glue or a little bit less hot glue. So it kind of determines how far the drips will go down. I hope that makes sense. But I always concentrate my heat gun on the actual bottom of the drip and I kind of maneuver it so that way it helps it flow down. So you can do it from the top, but what that's going to do is it's going to spread the glue from the top down, but you're really wanting to make the drip go farther down. So you can kind of watch what I'm doing. I did fast forward it a little bit because it does take a while. But you can kind of tell what I'm doing. I pointed at the left and then to the right of the drip, making sure that I'm getting it to drip all the way down. You also don't want to use too much heat, and you also don't want to do it from the top too much because it will make it really thin at the top and you'll be able to see the glitter from underneath. I also, when I'm putting the drips on, I also make sure that it goes all the way up to the rim. So when I sand it, I'm still able to get a good seal with the epoxy once we epoxy over the drips. But other than that, it's kind of a little bit of a learning curve. But once you do it a few times, it's super easy. It's way easier than the epoxy method. But if you guys have any questions or need to know where I got anything, let me know in the comments and I will be sure to answer your questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and have a good day.